Every bet you place is really a bet on probability. The odds you see on a sports book, plus 150, 2.50, 5 to 2, they're not random numbers. They're a translation of what the bookmaker thinks will happen, dressed up to make you wager. Once you learn to read them, you'll see betting completely differently. Here's the simple truth. Odds are what the bookmaker offers you. Probability is the actual chance of an outcome happening. And the gap between those two numbers, that's where bettors either find value or quietly bleed money. Probability is just a percentage. A coin toss is 50%. Rolling a 6 on a die is about 16.67%. In sports, nothing's that clean. It's always an estimate. Sportsbooks estimate those probabilities, add their margin, and post the line. Your job is to figure out when their estimate is wrong. Converting odds to probability is the single most useful skill in betting. Let me show you how fast it is. Decimal odds are easiest. Just divide one by the odds. 2.00 equals 50%. 1.50 equals about 66.7%. American odds need two formulas, one for favorites, one for underdogs. Minus 150 becomes 60%. Plus 200 becomes 33.3%. And fractional odds, 3 to 1 means 25%. The format doesn't matter. Whatever wrapper the line comes in, you can always convert it back to a clean percentage. Now, here's the trap most bettors fall into. The implied probability you calculate from odds is not the bookmaker's true estimate. It's their estimate plus a markup. Take a coin toss. True probability is 50% each side. A fair book would offer 2.00 on both. But you'll see minus 110, which converts to 52.4% per side. Add them up, 104.8%. That extra 4.8%, that's the VIG, the bookmaker's edge baked into every single bet you place. Sharp bettors compare their estimate to the no VIG line, never the raw odds. Anything else gives the book credit for value that isn't really there. This is where it all comes together. Profitable betting has nothing to do with picking winners. It's about finding mispriced odds. If you think a team has a 55% chance to win, and the book has them at plus 110, which implies 47.6%, you've got a positive expected value bet. Even if you lose this game, the long-run math is in your favor. That's the whole game. Estimate probability better than the book in specific spots, and you have an edge even on bets that lose. A 60% bet still loses 40% of the time. Variance is brutal. Short-term results tell you almost nothing. The only thing that matters is whether your probability estimates beat the books over a large sample. 3 mistakes to avoid. 1, each confusing odds with a guarantee. A minus 300 favorite still loses 1 out of 4 times. That's not 95%. It's 75. 2, ignoring the VIG. If you don't account for the bookmaker's margin, every estimate you make is biased. 3, chasing teams instead of prices. A bet isn't good because the team wins. It's good because you got a fair price. Want to put this into practice? Head over to bettoolkit.com. Our complete guide on betting odds versus probability walks you through every formula, every example, and every mistake to avoid. You'll also find free calculators, an expected value calculator, an odds converter, an over-round calculator. Everything you need to start spotting value bets today. Stop gambling on gut feel, start betting on probability,